Hello friends, in today's video I will show you what to do if the Ask Gemini button is missing from Google Chrome and how to get it back quickly and easily. The Ask Gemini feature comes built into the latest version of Google Chrome. If you can't see the button, there is two possible reasons. Either your Chrome browser is out of date or the button got accidentally unpinned. If it was just unpinned, to fix this, simple right click anywhere on the Chrome's top toolbar and select Pin Gemini. The Ask Gemini button will immediately reappear in its usual spot. If the button still doesn't show up after pinning, your Chrome browser probably needs an update. To check, click the three dots menu in the top right corner, then scroll down and open Settings. In Settings, click About Chrome in the left sidebar. As soon as you open this page, Chrome automatically checks for update and start installing the latest version if once available. If it doesn't start on its own, you will see an update button. Click on it, update manually. Once the update finishes, click relaunch to restart your browser. Then Chrome reopens. The Ask Gemini button should be right there. I hope this video helped you to fix the problem. If it was useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.